Good morning, friends. Okay, so today we are doing a vlog because it's going to be a pretty exciting, eventful day compared to my other days. So don't mind the bags. We just woke up like 2 hours ago, but it's okay, no biggie. I'm gonna try and make vegan pancakes because I just got this. It is, focus. Yeah. This is egg replacer. Every like recipe that I've looked at before for pancakes, most of them required this, but I always made like protein pancakes or, you know, banana pancakes, but I don't have bananas and I don't want to use up all my protein powder on pancakes. So I thought that I would get this since I saw it randomly at the store yesterday. I wasn't looking for it, but I was like, we could try it. So I'm gonna try making pancakes right now. We'll see how we do. So this is the recipe: 1 cup of plain flour, 1 1/4 cup of milk of some sort, 1 teaspoon egg replacer, 1 tablespoon of water, 1 tablespoon of oil. So we're gonna try this. Okay, so this is the consistency of the pancake mix. I accidentally put olive oil in instead of like vegetable oil or coconut oil just because I don't want to use vegetable oil and didn't have coconut. So, I mean, it's interesting. It looks like cupcake batter. I'm gonna take my Becel vegan margarine on my pan. And then I'm cooking at a medium heat. Super important that your pan is really hot when you're cooking pancakes. And then I like to keep a plate right beside the pan just because it makes it easier to transfer over. But I'm sure everyone does that. Alright, so let's do this. Oh my god. Oh. Okay, so first impression, it does not round the same way that protein pancakes do. I mean, that was like me pushing it around to kind of make it look like a circle. This is what the pancake turned out to be with the recipe. It is quite flat and gummy, as you can see. So I added in like the littlest bit of baking soda and baking powder, probably like half a teaspoon, and I feel like it definitely helped it get a little bit fluffier. So we'll probably have to modify this recipe or find a new one in future. Okay, final verdict. It's definitely more like a pancake. I burnt this one, so I'm gonna eat it. With the baking soda and the baking powder. So I'm gonna try this recipe again next time, but add that in at the beginning. And I also added in some maple syrup to the recipe because it tasted a little bit bland. And then now I just put some more of that margarine on top with some of the maple syrup. I'm gonna eat this. I don't know, we'll see. I find that like I've been really frustrated with a lot of vegan recipes when it comes to pancakes. So I need to perfect one that doesn't involve my protein powder being consumed unless a vegan company out there has like massive bags of protein. So if anyone knows of like a really good company that has massive bags or like jars of protein powder, let me know. I've tried the Body Entry Club one, wasn't a fan. So, but anything other than that, let me know. Like Age has this one, it's huge. And mine's like the size of this. Cool, what's up? Okay, so finished the pancakes. I had 2 and I'm actually quite full, which is not like me at all. But I think it's because I had coffee beforehand. So I'm gonna get ready. I've gotta do a bunch of cleaning today because I'm having a girls' night. So that's gonna be really fun and exciting. So, whoa, my hair looks like I'm going to, yeah, get ready and clean. Got a lot of cleaning, and then I really want to like buy some stuff, some fun things that I feel like we could do together, like decorate wine glasses or have some cool like snacks and treats and stuff, and some healthier options too. But yeah, I want it to be fun. I want it to be like really exciting for the girls because like we haven't gotten together without the guys like maybe ever. So this is really special. So I'm gonna get ready and try and clean, and then I also have to try and go to the gym. Okay, let's get this all prepared. It is like a good 6 hours after I made anything last on this, but Jen and I went to the gym and we had this amazing workout. Actually going to make an update video on what it is I've been doing, because I just feel like super motivated right now, and I found a program that works for me so far, so I'm really excited about that. So the girls are coming over for a girls' night. Just uploaded a video on my channel. February favorites, if you have not seen a New York Minute, that was our New York trip. Super pleased with how that video turned out, considering I barely took any video footage while we were there. I was just trying to have a really fun time and relax. So if you want to check that out. And then we've also got our Maui travel diary here too. I can't really tell if these glasses come across as creepy or they're like decent. I'm not sure. But yeah, so we've got like some activities for us to do. We've got a couple board games. That's always fun. And because we're all over the age, we will be drinking some wine.
This was Naima's attempt at icing. We've all discovered, well, not discovered, we've all stated that it looks a bit like Pepto-Bismol, doesn't it, Naima?
I have been bejeweled.
Still not better. It's still very moody.
Touch your face. Almost.
Oh.